Gonna be coding. I haven't coded for like the past 2 days. Well, I have, but I just didn't stream it. I know it wasn't really anything. But I did stream yesterday, right? And um, the reason why I didn't post that stream or anything, first of all, it was 45 minutes. I'm pretty sure it was like around there, 40 minutes. And I did try, I tried, what's it called? Setting up a VM for the, just, what's it called, an Ubuntu server VM. Same thing as I had without the GUI, just the server back then, but, what's it called? But with a GUI, because the terminal back then was horrendous. And I was just trying to use this, like, what's called, just a GUI, so I can, what's it called? So the terminal's colors is actually not fucking horrible. Um, but yeah, it doesn't, what's it called? I tried a bridge adapter and I tried doing everything else, and it did not work, and I've never found a solution. I looked everywhere online as well, no solution at all, and it's just annoying. I will find a way eventually, but right now I'm using just NAT, just for, just so everything works properly, I guess. So I'm not gonna be able to connect this to my host machine. But today, our main focus is we are going to start a, I should like just do this, right? This I could just like disable that. And then right here. Okay. Our main focus today is to make a Docker file and just basically test it and shit. So uh yeah. Now I didn't look at this one yet. Well, I did, but not today, of course. I'm not gonna merge his because I want to do my own, and I don't even know how he did it, so I'm just gonna ignore his shit right now. Uh, so oh yeah, and I found out we're not getting seg faults in the client no more. Like when we fully connect it, only when we're starting the connection and like the first user is waiting for a second user to join. If he leaves then or the server shuts down then we get a seg fault in the client, which is weird. And I tested it many times, and it's been the same thing. So yeah. Anyways, um, yeah, we're gonna be making a Docker file. Just yeah. So I did learn a little bit about Docker. The, Docker's fucking easy as hell. It's not hard. It's not hard at anything. You can learn it in like an hour or two. So yeah, we are going to be. Um, so first of all, let's install uh Docker install for Ubuntu. Just engine. Let's just copy everything. Let's go to our actual machine here. Let's go right here. That's it. I did try setting the MAC address of the um. Never mind. It's just all fucked up and shit. So yeah. Alright. Wow, everything's done already. I already have everything installed. I'm gonna eat off mic so it doesn't fucking sound loud as fuck. Alright, so we see that it works and stuff. So what we are going to do is we're going to go to here. Alright. So let's set up our environment because I didn't even set up anything. Alright. Um, yeah, I said that, but that's not useful. Okay. Um, verify that's working. So now we know that it works. Okay. Um, well, now that we installed it, let's make our Docker file. So, we're gonna make it out of everything. Now, the reason why we're gonna make it out of everything, not out of everything, like just out of here, just remove tested folder. Now, the reason why we're gonna make a Docker file is because, what's it called? Is it's going to basically make it quote unquote compatible with every system, even though it's so basically what it's really doing is it's running a, I guess, mini VM. It's just they call it just a container where it runs your code and stuff, and it behaves the same on every operating system instead of just making a makefile and expecting them to be on this specific version of Ubuntu or this or that. This just works on every system. Say if you're on Windows, it will make a mini Ubuntu container, and yeah. So let me just make this file. Uh, we'll just call it Docker file since that's the default. All right. Now let's go right here, and we're going to open Docker file. All right. I don't even know what oh, this Docker extension does. Okay. So it makes it easy and blah blah. So as you can actually see here, Docker is very easy. There's not a lot of keywords or anything. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna do from, what's it called? Blah blah blah. When I use this, we're gonna do from, what's it called? Ubuntu, and then the latest. We're going to, what's it called? We're going to install, yeah, from there, and then, now personally, what I don't like is I don't like setting my work directory first. I like setting my work directory only after, and only after like I copy the files. So what we're gonna do is we're going to copy basically everything. First, we're gonna use the right here this copy. We're gonna copy what's called everything into a specific folder or whatever the fuck, and then we are going to set the work directory to that path to the source folder. Then we're gonna run apt build not build apt install build essentials and G++ or make. I'm pretty sure Build Essentials contains that actually. Does does Build Essentials include G++ and make? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Yeah, so it is. So it includes it. So we're there we go. All we had to do is just install Build Essentials, and that's basically it. And then we're gonna just run the makefile. Uh, and after that, I mean, I don't know. That's pretty much it. So we would do CMD to run something like what's it called? So we would do CMD to run something like this. CMD and then this. So this is the first what's it called? Command or whatever the fuck. Like say CD. And this is the second. Say CD into slash src. That's basically it. And yeah, that's I guess yeah, that's it. So we're gonna, and the reason why we need CMD is because if we don't use it, it's basically gonna shut down instantly since it has nothing else to do, and it basically completes it. So yeah, so we're gonna say um from Ubuntu latest, right? We're going to, well, actually, let's set a maintainer, which is me. What's this? Can't move my mouse. Maintainer has been deprecated. I'm pretty sure it's just maintainer with uh set maintain maintainer uh Docker file. Oh, there we go. Perfect. We got a whole reference here. Okay, let me just zoom this all the way. All right. So maintainer. Okay. This is deprecated, I guess. Maintainer deprecated Docker. Yeah, it's right there. Uh, where's the okay. Maintainer. I set a label. Maintainers disable. What's called? Whatever it's called. Is deprecated. What is instead? They have a whole AI we can ask. Okay. Label. Okay. So we just use label. So for me, I would say okay. Yeah, that's good. All right. So to set myself as like maintainer or whatever, we can just use label. Uh, all right. All right. So now we are going to. So I mean, look at this. It's pretty fucking short. So actually, we don't even need this really, but we have that for reference if we need it. We're going to copy uh, from the dots since look, since it's going to be running here, we're going to have an overview of all the folder, the whole project structure basically. So it's in the root of the project, and what's it called? If it's like this, it'll be basically copying everything else. I forgot how to, actually no, we're good. What's it called? Not, I was just gonna like not allow this and not allow this like to be copied as well, but it's whatever. And we're just gonna name it right there. Alright. And now we could set a work, what's it called, directory. That's gonna be slash src. Alright, so that's where we can just run our commands and shit. And yeah, that's where we're gonna do our shit. Anyways, so basically after everything copies, we're just going to run. What are we gonna run? Sudo apt up. Goddamn update. Oh, hold on. All right, sorry, I have to text somebody. Okay, apt update, right? And then we're going to sudo apt install -y will build -sm. Build a sun. Oh, that's how you spell it. Yeah. All right. We're gonna run that now. After that, we're just going to run cmd. Actually, run make server. Alright, and then we're just going to cmd /server. Okay, this should just be a basic Docker file. Alright, now this should well, hold on. Sorry. Okay, so we should just okay. Anyways, we should just okay, so we don't need it for our machine, but like we're going to use it for our machine still. Because I mean that's just better, I guess. Alright. So we're going to look over here because I kind of just forgot a little bit how to execute it. Like I'm talking about running, I'm building the image. Uh, build image. Come on, where's the? God damn it. How do I build my Docker image file named Docker file? So it's just the default name. Ah, shit. Build dash T. The T option is used to specify a name tag. Okay. And then we run it and then expose it. Oh yeah, I forgot. We do gotta expose it. Oh damn it. I that was like the most important part since that's where actually I don't know if that's really needed though. I don't know. Oh we do, yeah, right here. Okay. So right here, the image name is just gonna be Docker server side. Just be permission denied. Repository name must be. Uh-huh. Interesting. Okay. Cannot copy a non-directory. Cannot copy to a non-directory. No. Cannot copy to a non-directory. Copy that to slash app, I guess. Did not complete successfully. Some dumb small mistakes I did. Alright, okay. Okay. Failed to make the server. It did not run successfully. You know what? For right now, we're going to leave this. I'll just do bin slash bash. So just so we can get the whole terminal. Shit. Oh, I'm gonna eat off mic. Alright, so it ran. I built it. Now all we have to do is just run it. Now we have the default tag. Now it's just gonna be server. Oops. sudo bin bash, is it? Bash bin slash, no wait, slash bin, wait, oh, dummy. I'm gonna eat again. Alright, now, let's run this shit. Okay, so it ran. That's good. Now let's see why this doesn't work. Um, okay. Mm, make, so, wait, src, okay, and we're just building it, and then we're, mm, okay, um, I'm just gonna run ls, I don't know if that's gonna, okay, that do that. Okay. Alright, let's run this. Well, wait, what? It's not running this shit. It's not saying anything, hold on. Oh my gosh. what's my current? We can just do IT. Well, there's Docker run dash IT dash IT server. There we go. Now we're in an actual shell. Cat the make file. Okay. Can we make server? Oh, okay. Oh, oh, okay. I see it. By the way, the bin bash, this is, what's it called? The reason why we're actually in the terminal is because of this. Now it's what's called commented out right now. But that's before when we actually made it. It's like compiling it basically. I guess we can just consider it like that. Okay, so the problem was we just needed to make the packages first. Alright, so make packages that run. I'm sure we can do make, but I don't I don't know. It's like I don't know. Okay, let's just build the server. This should just work fine. Alright, let's see this. Oh, okay. There we go. It built it properly. So let's run it now. Perfect. And this is not even on our machine, by the way. It's in a container. Control C, we exit the server. Now we're back on ours. How perfect is that? Um, okay. So why don't we hmm, okay. So what if we just say make, alright? Let's build that. Alright. Alright, well, I mean, that's fucking perfect. Um, okay. What's it called? So I gotta go do some stuff, but I'll definitely finish this. Oh shit, I got school tomorrow. Hmm. I don't want to finish this at school, but I am gonna get ideas, so I could finish it. Uh, okay, let me commit this real quick though. Built Docker file, well, a Docker file, and still working on it. All right, this is nowhere near done. This Docker file, I'm gonna make it so much better. All right, so I might like add a script where it asks the user say they do run the Docker file, right? Maybe like a simple bash script where it asks the users if they want to run the client or the server or whatever the fuck. Or we might make two dedicated images. What's it called? Alright, it's not even stored there. What's called? We might even make two dedicated images for the one for the server and one for the client. But I'll have to figure out what's like the most what's the I guess industry standard. Like you see how like I organized my file structure like this, project structure. It's because this is the standard. I have to see the standard of how to do this, like what's it called, for a separate client and a server, alright? So I'll figure that out. I'm gonna test this on a Windows machine, and yeah, bye.